Hari Singh Nalwa is another forgotten legendary historical figure. He was the commander of the Khalsa Fauj in the Sikh Empire. He led many successful conquests and captured Kashmir, Peshawar and Jamrud from Afghans. He expanded the Sikh Empire beyond the Indus River. His contribution in defending the northwest frontier and successful military expedition in the remotest region of the modern day Afghanistan is unparalleled to date. Hari Singh was born in 1791 in Gujranwala, Punjab, now Pakistan. His father died in 1798 and his mother raised him. In 1801, Hari Singh was initiated as a Sikh and took Amrit, one of the 4 Sikh sanskars. Hari Singh also took up his father's duties at a very young age. At the age of just 14 in 1801, his mother sent him to the court of Raja Ranjit Singh to solve a dispute. Impressed by the skills of Hari Singh, Ranjit Singh gave him an important position in his court. Once an incident took place in Hari Singh's early days in the Khalsa army. During a hunting expedition, he was attacked by a tiger. The attack was unexpected and he didn't have enough time to pull out his sword. Young Hari Singh faced the crucial situation with such boldness that he managed to catch and hold the tiger's jaw with his hands, forcefully pushing it away before killing it with his sword. The visionary warrior also built a series of Sikh forts in the Trans-Indus region of Khyber, Nowshera, Kabul, Peshawar, Attock and Kashmir. He also built watchtowers, gurdwaras, water tanks, temples across his administrative region. He donated the gold required to the dome of Sri Akal Takht within the Harmandir Sahib in Amritsar. His significant military expedition and untold victory of Hari Singh Nalwa is only comparable to the might of Shri Bappa Rawal of the Mewar dynasty. The untold bravery of Sardar Hari Singh never forms the part of Indian academic curriculum. The brave Hari Singh Nalwa took over the Sikh Khalsa Fauj and led to many of the Sikh Empire conquests. It was Hari Singh's first battle in 1801. In this battle, the entire Sikh army with the help of Jari Singh conquered Kasur. Kasur was an essential place in the view of diplomacy. The battle won him many favours and many Sikh army officials recognized the strength of Hari Singh Nalwa. In 1836, Hari Singh Nalwa made a sudden attack on the village of Jamrud at the mouth of the Khyber Pass. This conquest marked the Sikh Empire's entry into the Hindu Kush mountain area. The Battle of Jamrud was Hari Singh's last battle. The battle was crucial as he had defended Jamrud and Peshawar from the Afghans' attack. His mission was to protect Hindu Sikh Samaj and expand the Khalsa Empire that went unchallenged until his last day, when he was martyred in his last battle and left for his heavenly abode in 1837. Unfortunately, the life and achievement of brave Hari Singh Nalwa are not taught in school and college curriculum, which could have refined the Sikh valor. Sadly, today's generation have not heard about his terrain. The modern generation should realize and learn that all so-called invincibles such as Sadhujai of Mankera, Pathan forces of Afghanistan, Duranis of Attock of the Trans-Indus region of Khyber area were decimated under the commandership of Hari Singh Nalwa.